viewers. Good morning all of you. In previous video we have solved the question number 1 and some part of the question number 2 of exercise 1.4. Now today we solved the remaining part of the question number 2 and then question number 3. Now in question number 2 we had solved 1, 2. Since 1 and 2 have terminating decimal, then you have represented 1 and 2 in decimal form. 3, that is 64 by 455. This one is non-terminating repeating decimal, so leave it. Now we solve the 4th, that is 15 by 1600, because this had terminating decimal. First of all, we check how this can have terminating decimal, and after that we represent this in the decimal form. Now see, this 15 by 1600. First of all, you will write the prime factor of denominator 1600. Denominator, suppose Q, it is 1600, its prime factor. In question number 1, you have done the prime factorization of this 1600. Once again, you can see here, divide it by 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 0 0, 2 0 0. Now divide it by 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 0 0, 2 0 0. Now again divide it by 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 0 0, 2 0 0. Divide it by 2 again, 2 1 is 2, 2 0 0. Divide it by 2 again, 2 5 is 10, 2 0 0. Now divide it by 2, 2 2 is 4, 1 10, 2 5 is 10. Further divide it by 5, 5 5 is 25, and last divide it by 5, 5 1 is 5. Now 2 is present. 2 is present 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, you can write 2 power 6 into 5 is present 2 times, then you can write 5 square. Since the prime factor of Q is in the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. Here 2 to the power m is equal to 6, 5 to the power n is equal to 2. Since the prime factorization of Q is in the form this, then it has terminating decimal. Now, this 15 by, in place of 1600, you can write 2 power 6 into 5 power 2. 2 power 6 into 5 power 2. Now, 15 by, highest power of 2 is 6 and highest power 5 is 2 here. 2 का पावर 6 है, तो 5 का पावर भी हमको यहाँ 6 बनाना होगा. And you can do like this. 5 power 2 is already present. Now you will multiply it by 5 power 4. 5 power 2 into 5 power 4, 4 plus 2, 6. And it becomes 5 power 6, like 2 power 6. Since you have multiplied this denominator by 5 power 4, that means you will multiply numerator also by 5 power 4. Then it is equal to 15 into 5 power 4. Multiply 5 4 times and you will get 625 by 2 power 6 into 5 power 6. This 2 power 6 as it is, and 5 and power it's 6, 4 plus 2, 6. When you multiply these two, power should be added. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Now you can write this 15 into 625. It is 9,375. When you multiply these two, you will get product 9,375 by 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 and its power is 6. Multiply these two bases and keep the power 1, that is 6. Now 9375, this is the numerator. Since power of 10 is 6, that means your decimal will be 6 place left from this ones place digit. Means is 5 से 6 place left की तरफ decimal होगा. Now write the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and put decimal. This is the decimal representation of this 15 by 1600 and this is the answer. Number 5, 29 by 343. It has no terminating decimal, therefore leave it. Now 6. 23 by 2 power 3 into 5 power 2. Here Q, it is 2 power 3 into 5 power 2. And it is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Compare with this 2 power m, 5 power n, m it is equal to 3, n it is equal to 2, where m and n are non-negative integers. That means this Q, its prime factorization is in the form 2 power m into 5 power n. Therefore, this one has terminating decimal. Therefore, it has terminating decimal. Now represent it in decimal form. 23 by 2 power 3 into 5 power 2. Here power of 2 is 3, that means power of 5 should be 3. 5 का power भी 3 होना चाहिए. कैसे होगा? तो you will multiply denominator by 5 power 1. 5 power 2 है, 5 power 1 से multiply कर देंगे, 1 plus 2 3 हो जाएगा. Then it is 23 by 2 power 3 into 5 power 2. It is in the question and multiply it by 5 power 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 5 का power 3 हो जाएगा. So you will multiply the numerator also by 5 power 1. 5 power 1, that is 5. By 5 multiply 23. 5 3 is a 15. 1. 5 2 is a 10 plus 1, 11. 115 by it is 2 power 3 into 5 power 2 plus 1, 3. It is equal to 115 by 2 5s are 10 to the power 3. Then it is equal to 115. Now, since 10 power is 3, that means your decimal will be 3 place left from this 5. तो 5 से 3 place left count करते हैं. 1, 2, 3. Your decimal will be after 1 and this is the answer. 0.115 or you can write this 0.115. Number 7, 129 by 2 power 5 into 5 power 7 into 7 power 3. This has non-terminating repeating decimal and leave it. Now see 8. Six by 15. Now first of all, write this 6 by 15 in the simplest form. Both are divisible by 3, so divide it. 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, that is it is 2 by 5. Now Q, it is 5. That is you can write 2 power 0 into 5 power 1 and it is 2 power m into 5 power n. इस फॉर्म में हो गया इसका फैक्टर. prime factor, m is 0 है, n is equal to 1 है, and it has terminating decimal. Therefore, it has terminating decimal. Now, 2 by 5, it is equal to 2 upon. Now see here, you have to make the denominator 10. 5 का पावर 1 है, that means यहाँ 2 का पावर 1 इसमें मल्टीप्लाई होना चाहिए. तो 5 पावर 1 तो है, इसको हम 2 पावर 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो यहाँ भी 2 का पावर 1 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. It is 2 power 1, that is 2, 2 2 ja 4. By this 5 2 ja 10 and its power is 1. Write the numerator 4. Since power of 10 is 1, that means your decimal will be 1 place left from this 4. So 1 place left, that is 1. Your decimal will be at this point. And this is the answer. अच्छा लगने के लिए you can put here 0 in the left side of the decimal, and it is 0.4. Now number 9. (35 by 50). This both are divisible by 5, so divide it by 5 to write in the simplest form. 5 7 ja 35, 5 10 ja 50, it is 7 by 10. Now Q, it is 10 and its prime factor is 2 into 5. That is 2 power 1, 5 power 1. And it is same as 2 power m into 5 power n. M is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. That is, it has terminating decimal. Therefore, it has terminating decimal. Now 7 by 10, it is equal to 7 by 10 to the power 1. It is 7, decimal will be 1 place left, 0.7, answer.